The World Cup is fast approaching, and as the World Cup final is usually the most viewed sporting event ever, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money from it through sites like Redbubble. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. Here I make content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can make money with print on demand online. I've helped a lot of people to make sales from sites like Redbubble, and recently I've been getting sales like crazy myself. And down below I have a free print on demand starter guide that will be up on my website. So I'm going to be showing you a low competition trend that you can go into with 5 different ideas, all linked to the World Cup. If you haven't already, make sure to click that subscribe button and like, because I guarantee you're most likely going to learn something new in this one. So the current print-on-demand Redbubble trend that's currently getting a lot of eyes with low competition is World Cup kickoff. It currently has 765 results at the time of making this video. Now, obviously, if you want to make money, if you want to get sales jumping into this trend, you need to find a way to be different in your own way, to create designs that are slightly different to anyone else. The first one is It's Coming Home. It's Coming Home has 780 results, which is pretty good as it's less than 1,000. If you're from the UK or England, you will know every time there's a World Cup or Euros or footballing event, this is something that everyone starts saying, starts tweeting, especially if England go far. And with England previously getting to the Euros final, who knows how far they'll go. So you definitely want to be making designs based around this, as this is something that could potentially get sales. And as for design ideas, you can make either text-based designs where you literally have It's Coming Home, and you can put that on obviously all your products, t-shirts, mugs, etc. Or you can go on sites like Vexels to look for football-based images you can use with your design to allow it to stand out a little bit more. If you do want to try out Vexels, there'll be a link down in the description. And number 2, we have fairly similar It's Coming Rome. Now, I mentioned the Euros final. Now, the team that beat England in that was Italy, and It's Coming Rome was the saying that they had. Italy is also in the World Cup. They have a strong team and they could potentially go far. And this could also be a saying that the Italians will be talking about quite a lot. So you definitely want to be taking advantage of this. If you want to do extra research for yourself, you can look for other quotes or saying that other countries with teams within the World Cup may say. And obviously, if you're one of the first few people to do this, you won't have a lot of people to compete against. It's Coming Rome has 296 results, so less than It's Coming Home. So this is something you could definitely dive into. And if you're doing it now, way before the World Cup starts, you'll definitely be able to rank and potentially get yourself some sales under that keyword. And you could always link it back to World Cup kickoff as well. Taking us to number 3, we have Keep Calm and Support France. Now, if you think about it, you could probably change France to any other country, but I'll talk about that more in a moment. This has only 80 results. So if you're making this before the World Cup, you're definitely going to get in there with low competition. And the fact that you could just change the country makes this a scalable design. So you can make a lot of these designs very quickly if you're just going text-based. But there's definitely room for potentially a lot of sales if you're making designs using something like this. Obviously, this plays off keep calm and carry on. But as long as you don't use those specific words, especially in your keyword, you shouldn't have to worry about any sort of copyright or trademark issues. So keep calm and support blank, as for whichever country, could definitely be something that gets you guys a lot of sales. For this example, I chose France mainly because they won the last World Cup. The 4th niche we have is more of the same. We've got keep calm and support Germany. It's just to show you that this concept, if you look through different countries, you will see that the competition is low. Keep Calm and Support Germany only has 9 results, which is crazy. And if you guys jump onto this, you could be the first few people to actually garner a lot of sales from niches like this. And the final, which will kind of be like a double barrel, I'll give you a bonus one, is England 1966. It only has 405 results, so it's definitely worth a try. And you could always link it to the main trend, which is World Cup kickoff, that people are currently searching for. Now, you can make a design that literally says England 66. Why? Mainly because England last won the World Cup in 1966. And if England going to do well, this could be a design that go on to sell, as people obviously like memorabilia. And if England's doing well, this is something people might want to wear again. And the bonus one, similar to the last, is German 2014. If you haven't gotten the pattern already, German last won the World Cup in 2014. So you could literally make a design that says German 14. This has 442 results, and here I've just said 2 countries that have won the World Cup. You can search up other countries that have won the World Cup and make that into a design. I don't know if anyone else is speaking about this, but I'm giving you guys the information. So yes, please subscribe and like so you're not missing out on future content. Right guys, I just wanted to show you a quick method you could also use if you're trying to find niches of your own. So if you go on the trend for World Cup kickoff, you can see that there's 776 results here. At the top here, there's tags you can go through to kind of get more ideas of what you could implement in your keywords, in your tags. Obviously, there's a variation of things there that you can play around with. If you click on one, so clicked on football team supporter, you can see there's a lot of results there, but there will be a variation of other things that are popping up at the top, and you can literally click through. Here's another bonus niche because I thought, why not? We Are the Champions World Cup, 254 results. This is also scalable as you can put a variation of countries. We don't know who's going to win the World Cup, but if you cover all the countries, you know at least one of them is going to win, and whichever one wins will probably get you sales if obviously you're one of the first few people to make it. I can see a lot of people here have made a lot of designs and scaled them, and you just want to do something similar but design better than the ones that are already there. For example, this style and this style is pretty unique. This is okay, but personally, if I was buying, I would go for more of this style. So you just want to create styles that look fairly neat in a way that someone would actually wear it out in public rather than something that's all over the place. Design at the end of the day is key. Even if you're making text-based designs, you just want to make sure that everything's kind of balanced, everything kind of looks nice in a way and not too over the top. But yeah, that is the last bonus niche I had for you guys. Phil, take it away. Daily content is back. I'm going to be helping you guys get sales in a way you've never seen before. So make sure to turn on that notification bell. And for those that have been wondering where I've been, whilst I was away, I jumped into the fitness niche with TikTok and Instagram. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.